Hi, my name is Oliver, and today we'll learn about opposites together. Let's go! Opposites are really fun. You'll love them because they're different and exciting. This dinosaur is super big. Look how tall it is compared to me. But this tiny bird is very small. It can sit in my hand. Zoom! I'm going fast on my scooter like a rocket. Whee! Now watch the turtle. It walks so slowly, one little step at a time. This soup is hot. Careful, I almost burned my tongue. Blow on it first. This ice cream is cold and yummy. I love eating it on hot days. My red balloon is going up, up, up into the bright blue sky. Now I'm sliding down the slide. Woohoo! This is so much fun. It's a sunny day. I play outside with my ball while the birds sing. Now it's nighttime. The moon is out, and I'm getting sleepy in bed. Wow! My plate is full of cookies. I can't wait to eat them. Oops, my plate is empty now. I ate every single cookie. I feel so happy playing with balloons and laughing with my friends. Oh no! My balloon popped. Now I feel a little sad. I got really dirty playing in the mud. Look at my messy clothes. Now I'm clean after my bath. Bubbles make everything fun and fresh. The wind blew the door open. Let's see what's outside. Now the door is closed again. Time to stay cozy inside. Big and small, fast and slow. Opposites help us learn and grow. Up and down, hot and cold, opposites are fun and bold. Happy, sad, clean and dirty. Let's sing opposites with Oliver and be word smarty. Opposites are everywhere. Let's learn them all, here and there.